Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow. Check your bank app. Your balance hasn't changed. But somewhere, overnight, billions of new dollars were created. No vote, no alert, no knock on your door. And yet, you don't feel robbed. That's strange, because if someone took even 5% of your money without asking, you'd notice. You'd be angry. So why doesn't printing money feel like theft? That question matters more right now than most people realize. Because we're living in the most aggressive money creation era in human history, and almost nobody feels it happening. Let's slow this down. Money used to be simple. If you wanted more of it, you had to dig it out of the ground, grow it, trade for it, or conquer for it. There was friction, effort, limits. Today, money appears on screens. A few keystrokes, a policy meeting, a calm press conference, and suddenly there's more. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Printing money does reduce the value of existing money. That part is not debated. So why doesn't it feel like theft? Because it doesn't take from you directly. It dilutes you quietly. Think of money like a pizza. If there are 8 slices and you own 2, that's clear. But if someone secretly cuts the pizza into 12 slices and gives the new slices to other people, you still have 2 slices. Nothing was taken from your plate. They just made everyone else's plate heavier. Your share got smaller without being touched. That's the psychological trick. The system avoids confrontation. No one reaches into your wallet. No one freezes your account. Instead, prices slowly adjust. Rent creeps up. Groceries cost a little more. Assets drift higher. It feels like the economy changed, not like someone changed the rules. And timing matters. When new money is created, it doesn't hit everyone equally or at the same time. This is the part almost never explained simply. The first people to touch newly created money are usually governments, banks, and large institutions. They spend it before prices rise. By the time that money reaches wages, savings accounts, or fixed incomes, prices have already adjusted. So if you're late to the line, you don't feel robbed, you just feel behind. And the system never says, this was the cost. It says, inflation is complicated, supply chains, external shocks, global factors, which are all partly true, but they're not the full story. Here's the irony. Governments, if raised taxes sharply to fund spending, people would revolt. Headlines would scream. Elections would swing. Printing money avoids that reaction because it spreads the cost across time and across millions of people. No single moment, no single villain. Just a gradual loss of purchasing power that's easy to blame on everything else. And this is why it doesn't feel like theft. The pain is delayed, diffused, and framed as normal. Now zoom out. Why do governments do this? Because modern economies are built on promises. Debt promises, growth promises, stability promises. And breaking those promises loudly is dangerous. Printing money is the quiet option. It keeps systems moving. It prevents sudden collapse. It buys time. And sometimes buying time is genuinely necessary. But time isn't free. Every unit of new money is a claim on future value, on future productivity, on future trust. When that trust holds, nothing explodes. When it weakens, things get ugly fast. Currencies usually don't die dramatically. they fade. People don't wake up one morning and abandon money. They slowly stop saving it. Then they rush to spend it. Then they don't want to hold it at all. That's when printing money finally does feel like theft. Not because the mechanics changed, but because the illusion broke. Right now, we're in the illusion phase. The screens still work, the numbers still go up, the system still functions. Which raises a dangerous question. If money can be created without immediate pain, and the cost can be hidden across years, what stops the system from doing it again, and again, and again? At what point does quiet dilution become something people can finally feel? That's the real risk. Not inflation, not debt, not even money printing. But the moment trust notices what arithmetic has been doing all along. And when that moment arrives, it never asks politely,